Blade has a sensor that detects electrical conductivity. A piece of wood is not very conductive, so the saw goes right through it. A salty, wet finger is...
I'll hold it just like it was my thumb.
You gotta be kidding me.
Let's see it. There's nothing.
There it is.
That is amazing. That really is. I mean, that's, it's like nothing ever happened.
The blade is rotating at about 5,000 RPM. It's forced to stop in 1/1000th of a second. A reminder, this is with saw stop. This is without. With. This is a man who has faith in his creation. Now we bet you've never seen this before. A finger being shoved into a table saw. At least, we hope you aren't one of those unlucky 10. We know the machine stopped, and we know nobody got hurt. But we gotta say it. Ouch!
It felt a little like a buzz or a tickle almost.
You're talking about your finger in a table saw, and you're talking about a buzz and a tickle.
We've done a lot of bizarre things in our lab, but somehow this demonstration